Well, hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sean McBurney. I am the regional president here for Caesars in Las Vegas, and we could not be more excited to have you after 14 months and a multi-million-dollar renovation. Bacchanal is back. And might I say, the best just got better. So what are you going to see? You're going to see a beautifully redesigned Bacchanal. We redesigned the front entrance, the seafood station. We redesigned the carving station, the American station, the Latin station, the Mediterranean station, the dining room. And as beautiful as that design is, Bacchanal, it has always been about the food. And that continues today, now more than ever. You're going to see hundreds of beautifully curated, delectable dishes, more than 100 of which are plant-based vegan and vegetarian options. You're going to see roaming carts throughout the dining room, providing things like Wagyu hot dogs. You're going to see authentic Roman pizzas, more Southeast flavors, and of course you're going to see the hits, a lot of prime rib and a lot of crab legs. So I could talk for days about how spectacular this buffet is, but we're going to let the food do the talking. Thank you for all coming here. Welcome to the new Bacchanal.